In 1919 Boston, a tank of 2.3 million gallons of molasses burst, turning a familiar street into a sticky tidal wave. The wave rushed downtown, destroying a building, killing 21 people and injuring 150 as onlookers stood in shock. Investigations cited faulty construction and high pressure, dispelling the cheerful myth that molasses always stays sweet. Lawsuits and reforms followed, reshaping public safety and basic engineering checks citywide. The incident remains a striking reminder that even everyday ingredients can unleash surprising, destructive force.